Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 55.50 here for a put. I'll keep a close eye on it, but I will go ahead and pause software for now. We're going to go for a put here at 54.50, and I got that. Put at 54.50. And out for a very fast $50. Very good. I am doing options. I probably should have mentioned that earlier. If you're not sure what options are, let me know in the comment section, but option guide or guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk you through terminologies, how they're functioning. And I know sometimes options have a reputation of being very complicated, and they can be made that way. They can be made very advanced, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be. They can be approached in a more simple, straightforward way. And that's how I personally approach them, is in a more simple and straightforward way. So if that's kind of how you like to approach things, and options are great for a smaller account. That's not necessarily why I use them, but if you do have a smaller account, options can be a great tool for that. So like I said, if you want to learn more, just put guide or option guide in the comment section, and I'll link you to that free class. I will go ahead and pause and look for the next trade. Have an order at 50.50 here for a put, so it needs to come up a bit more. All right, let's go to 49.50 now. Okay, in at 49.50 for a put. And out for another $50. So now up to $100. And let me change strike prices. When I say that, if you're like, change what? What did you say? Totally get it. But again, just comment below, guide, and I'll link you to it, and all those sorts of terms will start to make more sense. So next area I'd be interested in, up there right around 499.20. So yeah, got a ways to go up to that blue line. Next area I'd be interested. So I will pause for now. But yeah, quick start, couple fast trades, $50 each, and both lasted, I don't know. I think that second one was maybe 10 seconds. I guess I can give you that answer right now. Let me bring up my on-screen marker here, and you'll see exactly what I mean, and also kind of walk you through how my screen works a little bit here. But down here you can see the times. So right there, time, you can see I got in at 9:45:32 and then got out at 9:45:40. So 8 seconds there was the $50 move. And then that first one, you can see right there, 9:40:08, 9:40:11. So 3 seconds. So 3 seconds and 8 seconds were my total trade times for each of those, both resulting in the fast $50. And that's why, because, this thing is clearly headed upwards. So I'm not going to try to, nail the top and look for some sort of big rollover, because I'm not that good to be able to nail those tops like that. But can I get within the realm of a top where I at least get a little bit of a pullback that can give me some profits? Yeah, I think so. So that's what I'm aiming to do here. So we'll see if this wants to push up a little bit closer to that blue line, and then maybe get another trade. I will pause for now. Have an order at 49.50 here. All right, let's go to 48.50 now at this point. For a put. I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 55 here for a put. Needs to come up here, just looking for another bit of a surge. I will pause. Have an order at 54. In at 54 for a put. And in at 54 with a put. and out for $50. Took a little bit while longer than what I would have thought, but it is what it is. You can't always get them all in 2 seconds or 3, whatever those were, 3 seconds and 8 seconds. I will look to restart the process again. Next entry point. Let me change strike prices. There we go. Would be interested around 492.72. So still got a ways to go before that one could come into play. But all right, I will go ahead and pause. Oh, I got in at 29 and out for 29.50. Holy smokes, that was fast. That was what? Did I even hit record? I don't know if I caught the entry point there. That one left me a little, I don't know if shell shocked is the right word, but yeah, I want to be mad at myself for missing the entry point, but that literally happened so fast. It wasn't anywhere close. And then just like that, wow. I mean, I should have held, I'd be up. But I mean, like I said, that was nuts. That was absolutely nuts how fast that one went. I was filled, and I know I got the exit point. So I think I might have already been filled because it, like I said, happened so fast. But if you scroll back, you'll notice that there was a white order out there. White just meaning not filled. And then it changed to green, meaning I was filled. So another less than I don't know, what was that, like a second? $50 move there. So crazy move, but I'll take it. So that wraps up the day. I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So nice little $200 bill in my pocket for a couple of I guess 4, technically speaking, very quick trades. And I'm very happy with that. So as a side hustle, I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, move on. And yes, this is a side hustle for myself. I have many other streams of income. Trading is just one of them. So yeah, I get it. That's all you made, $200. I saw somebody else make way more than that. And for that person, fantastic. Good for them. But for me, I'm after the freedom of time, and if I can make $200 in the amount of time that I did today, which as you saw was not a whole lot, especially when you consider that I was not sitting on my computer this whole time. I was up and down and doing other things. I'm very, very happy with that. So just keep that in mind when you look at your results, even if it was just $50. I mean, if you made $50 and it only took you a few minutes, that's a really good return on your time. So assuming you're not Bill Gates or something like that. But anyway, so that's all I have for you. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.